Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that gold is showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly, we can see that gold is a long-term bearish market. Now with this monthly impulse, with this long monthly candle, we saw that after previous monthly liquidity gap from this all-time high, gold has a strong rejection. Now this is a very long bearish engulfer that has engulfed the previous monthly candle completely, and there's a long wick at the bottom, and as a result we saw that gold, after little pullback, the market again feeling that long wick and started to drop further. What I think that as this market started to drop and it's a long-term bearish market, I think that gold may continue to drop and we can expect now gold to come back down to this monthly support level. If we look at the weekly, we can see that from the weekly perspective, gold is also showing potential bearish movement. Now starting with this impulse on the weekly created this move followed by this correction, it is in another impulsive phase on gold. Now what we see that with this movement on gold previous week, also after this bearish candle in this long-term downtrending market, this week the price has gone up to test this level where there's the previous support level here, which is turning resistance here, and we saw that gold again rejecting towards the downside. Now with that rejection, what we can expect on gold to come back down, what I think that highly likely gold may come back down to this support level, and we can expect gold to drop in that zone for longer term perspective. If we look at daily on this movement, we see that from the daily perspective also gold is bearish. Now we see with this strong rejection from the all-time high, gold change its long-term uptrend to a long-term downtrend, and the price is creating series of lower high and lower low in this market. Now we saw there was a long consolidation, and in that consolidation we saw that gold is creating series of lower high in that area. There is a long daily doji. The price crossed the 20 EMA on the daily perspective, and we saw this market has a drop, a breakdown, and the price has come back to the support here, which turned resistance here, and we saw that gold created series of lower high in that zone. Now with that series of lower high creation, gold has broken down again, and quite a few days, couple of days, we saw that the price was creating series of lower high in that market. Now we saw that there is a daily middleman in this zone. Now with the daily middleman gold, we saw that after testing this level again, the price had a strong rejection. Now this is the daily price action. We can see that gold has so far, after this previous daily middleman, has so far a drop. The price tested this level here. Currently we see the price is pressing pressure on this daily support level. I think that after little pullback to the upside, we can expect gold to have another drop on the lower time frame. Now looking at 4 hour, what we see that this is where there was multiple liquidity gap with this 4 hour candle. So you saw there is a doji, back to back two dojis, liquidity gap that has given gold a very strong pressure to the downside, followed by this correction. There has been another movement, and we see that gold is forming bearish price action along this zone. Now this is current session's candle. We saw the price below this important level of support, which in fact tested here as a resistance, and we see that gold now forming a doji, which is closing couple of minutes later, and we can expect now after this rejection, if the price remain below this support, what I think that we might see another retest and we could see a lower high, and then we can expect gold to continue to drop in that direction. So if we look at the 1 hour price action, we can see that the price is respecting this 20 EMA, and whenever the price is dropping from that level, we see the price is started to drop from this 20 EMA. We are getting rejection. Now as you can see, the previous 1 hour also there is a doji. The price just been rejected from that level. I will be waiting for a lower time frame retest of this level And as soon as we will see suitable entry opportunity along the zone on gold, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.